back into the labor market, but they're just not finding jobs.
The Labor Department said new claims for state unemployment insurance jumped to the highest levels.
People employed in big cities are effectively working 6 days a week because of their long commutes.
Green County, 20% of its workforce as it faces possible
Unemployment is at an all-time high. Entire industries are downsizing. The stock market is in the tank. Trillions have been lost. And it's not over. One of the richest men in America, Warren Buffett, said it best. This downturn could last 8 years. What? You won't be affected? You are beyond the problems in the economy? Let me ask you a question. If you lost your job tomorrow, and I don't care if you're a CEO, dental hygienist, or plumber, if you lost your job tomorrow and couldn't find work for, say, 8 weeks, would you have enough money to survive? Yes or no? If the answer is yes, what if it took you 16 weeks, 52 weeks? If the answer is no, guess what? You need to make more money now. This is not rocket science. It is reality. And according to the statistics, it is the reality for the majority of North Americans. Because if you run out of money in a slow economy, you will suffer. Your family will suffer. Your kids will suffer. But you've got a great job, right? You are recession-proof, right? Wrong. So, what are your options?
Start your own business.
But owning your own business is the only way to take control back. The only way to control your time, cash flow, and quality of life. Those people out on the golf course at 11 a.m. on a Thursday, the people fishing with their kids at 3 p.m. on a Tuesday, the people driving the Mercedes and Porsches. Chances are, those people own their own business. And the good news? You can too. What kind of business can the average person get involved in with little or no capital investment, with little or no business experience or expertise, part-time or full-time? A business that will give you a chance to make some real money, whatever that means to you. Whether that means $1,000 extra a month, $1,000 extra a week, or even a 6-figure income. Let's face it, money changes everything. It changes the car you drive, the vacations you take, the school your kids go to. And when you are the boss, your life changes dramatically. You decide when you want a pay raise. You decide when you work, what time you get up, what you wear. You decide, not them. Bottom line, you can do it. You can control the economy. You can beat a recession, and you can take control of your life. Find out more about this business, a business that you could own, that you could start part-time with no employees, no headaches, and not a lot of money.
Okay, gold futures soared on Friday, topping the $900 an ounce mark for the first time ever. That was after the Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke said the Fed's ready to lower rates in order to keep the economy in track. That's Ali. He's like wearing his gold investment on his sleeve.
Yeah, I wore my gold bar cufflinks. They're not really real. They just look like a gold bar.
Well, those, they're not real. If they were real,
they'd be worth a lot of money.
They'd be up another like 43% over the past year, which means, let me see if we get the math right.
I'd have to have a bodyguard to wear them.
Right.
The weak dollar, a weak dollar always makes gold go higher. Sky-high oil prices, and of course continued concerns about inflation. Gold's rise has been steady. It may continue. Will it? I mean, should you buy, sell, or hold gold? Frank Holmes is the CEO of U.S. Global Investors. He joins us now from San Antonio because he is a man who spends his days thinking and talking about gold. Frank, is this the time to buy or sell gold?
There's always time to own gold in a portfolio. There's been a lot of studies going back over 30 years ago using regressional math.
How do I, as an individual investor, maybe want to get some exposure if I don't think I can go out and buy bullion? I mean, can we buy those exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and is now a good time to buy one like GLD or some of them that are tied to the gold miners?
Well, I think that one takes a look at gold jewelry, and And if you take a look, if you believe the dollar is going to continue to fall, that Cartier watch is going to go up.
Really?
Absolutely, because the cost of gold is going up.
What about, grandma's gold jewelry, I guess? We're talking about some of the heirloom stuff. I mean, is that part of my portfolio that I didn't even think about?
Absolutely. And if it's 18 karat gold, it will go up.
Welcome to Global Wealth Trade Corporation International. My name is Ray Stone. I'm an Ottawa broadcaster and author, and over the next 4 minutes I'm going to give you some details on Canada's most lucrative and fun business opportunity.